Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to pair multiple devices to this device. So in this video, I will show you, I am going to pair these two earphones to this device. First of all, go to settings. First of all, you need to turn on your Bluetooth devices, okay? And after this one, go to connections, tap on Bluetooth. First of all, you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your device. So here you can see both the devices name you can see here. First of all, I am going to connect this one. Tap on this one and tap on pair. Now you can see this is connected. Now again I am going to connect this earbuds. Tap on this one. Tap on connect. So here you can see both the earbuds are connected and one is 80% remaining battery remaining. One is 70% battery remaining. Okay. This feature let you share the audio with the two devices at once. Perfect for watching videos with the friends. So simply in this way we can pair multiple devices. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.